Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is a 1 hour chart of DXY US dollar currency index, and we have seen massive sell on the chart of DXY. Yesterday when I was recording the video, DXY was trading somewhere around here. It was trying to take support, so it was in a very critical spot. And ultimately DXY surrendered. And after that, we saw heavy sell on the chart of DXY. And as you can see, that right now DXY or US dollar currency index is standing at 105.74. So this is the last support for DXY right now. The last support is 105.30 to 105 level. So DXY will try to hold this level as of now. I think DXY will try to go for a bounce also from this level. If not a complete plan reversal, at least a temporary recovery. Okay. And in case something bad happens, then we will see massive sell on DXY and we will see further recovery on gold. We will see further recovery on Euro USD and others. So do not go against the trend of the market. If possible, try to keep your one eye on the chart of DXY, because from today for the next coming days, okay, DXY will play a big role. And my dear friends, this is the daily chart of gold. Okay, daily chart of gold, and we have a bullish flag. We have a bullish flag on the chart, and as you can see that we also have a breakout on the daily chart as well. My god. Now let's go back to our 1 hour time frame now. In the 1 hour time frame, we can see that gold is standing at 1755. Now we have talked about the level of 1755 to 1757 in our previous videos, and yes, it is standing at the resistance right now. And for the last 3 hours, you can see that though market is standing at a resistance here, but still there is no tendency of the market going down. You can see that somehow the buyers in the market are still trying their best to take the market up. On the 15 minutes time frame also, you can see that market is extremely bullish, but slowly the market is losing some momentum. So if you already have taken a sell position on gold, then be on the trade. No need to exit. At least you can expect profit till 1753-52 level, I think so. But yes, the market is bullish, so you must be very careful. Please follow proper risk management. This is market, so do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Usually if you risk 2 to 3% of the capital, then in this trade risk only 1%. Okay, this is my request. And the another selling opportunity, okay, the another selling opportunity can be around 1763. Wait, let me change the color. 1763.50 to 1767.50. This can be another selling opportunity for us. Okay, if market goes up and if you see market forming candles like this, okay, then you can consider taking a sell position. Again, your target should be around 30 to 40 pips only. I'm not going for a big target right now because on a daily time frame bullish flag is visible, so it's better to be on the safe side. At least personally, I'll try to exit after 30 to 40 pips, because yesterday I had a loss on GBP USD. I had a sell limit around 1.2000. I thought the market would reverse, but it was sudden breakout, and to be honest, I had no idea also. I was outside that time. So at least I'll try to play safe today. So I'm repeating again, market is standing at the resistance right now, resistance level of 1755 to 57 here, because we have Fibonacci as well as we have the 200 moving average. Okay, market may go up a little again. Listen to me carefully, market may go up a little again. It can go up till 1760 right now. Okay, it has got some space. Okay, you can go up to 1760 and then it may reverse. But if you already have taken a sell position, be on the trade, no need to exit. But after 1760, if you see market reversing, you can take a sell position. But yes, you must be careful. Okay, this is not a very strong resistance. Okay, already I have discussed in my previous videos also that 1755.57 is not a very strong resistance. So please be careful, do not gamble with your hard-earned money, as I always say. On the other hand, if it breaks, then the next level will be around 1763.50 to 1767.50. Why we're considering this level? Because of previous price rejection around this level, as well as we have got Fibonacci. And as a bullish flag is visible on the daily chart, so try to exit after 30 to 40 pips max. Okay, as long as you do not get any other surety, because see, while recording the video, okay, things are not very clear right now in the Asian session. Things will definitely change during the European session and US session, so you need to take the decision accordingly. Okay, and if you're wondering about the support, then we do not have any clear support right now. 1750 may act as a minor support if the volatility remains low, but otherwise in this chart there is no immediate support except 1732 level. Okay, so I think overall, okay, overall, if you're a swing trader or a positional trader, then there is a big chance that market will be heading towards 1800 level again. Market will be going, okay, market will be going up to test the level of 1785 to 86 again. Okay, see, whatever I have discussed so far, this is for day trading purpose only. Okay, not for swing traders or position traders. So please follow proper risk management before taking any position, considering the capital and the stop loss. And you must understand one thing very well, that not every day is same in the market. As a trader, you must be flexible. Sometimes you'll have to avoid also. Okay, you'll have to learn to avoid the market as well, because after all, our capital is limited. We must understand it very well. So anyway, this is it. And my dear friends, this is the workshop, okay, that I'm conducting on 1, 2, 3 from 1st December onwards. And yes, the Forex Hero Masterclass is conducted in both the languages. Hindi mein bhi hota hai, English mein bhi hota hai. If you are interested in Hindi, you can sign up for the Hindi workshop. All the details are in the description. Okay, and this is the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. So if you really like my work, if you have been following me, then you know it that okay, I love market. Okay, and I have seen many ups and downs in the market also. So if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, and if you really want to analyze the market like me, then you can consider joining the workshop. In fact, I have also shared my story here. Okay, if you really are in problem right now, you're thinking that there is no hope, then please go through my story. Okay, your life will change. Okay, you'll get the inspiration, you'll get the understanding that nothing is impossible in the world. Okay, apart from that, all the details are in the description. Bye bye, take care.